Good morning. Still Tuesday, August the 19th. Hope your day is off to a good start. We're about 20 minutes deep into the market. Quick recap. We had been making a comparison between different call options on a stock that we thought could possibly take a 5 to 6 point move, Boeing. We had placed 9 different trades in the money, at the money, and out of the money on 3 different time frames. One was short, only 4 days to expiration, then approximately 3 weeks and approximately 5 weeks. Last week, we had closed those options which were expiring last Friday. We were only in this first trade, I believe about a day and a half. And that one gave us our best return. That was in the money with the shortest time frame. Next came the at the money. We closed that the following day. I think it was Thursday. That one did well, and we closed this one at the same time. On this day, Boeing was up. On this day, it was down to a little bit neutral, had been up and then pulled back, if I remember correctly. The other 6 we had stayed with. I commented that if it was for real, I probably would have closed everything. Today, what we see going on with Boeing is that it is really breaking through. It doesn't have tremendous volume, so it isn't a huge sprint for the axis, but it seems to have lost its steam. We were looking at it back here. We were looking for it to bounce and come back up to this area in here. It looked promising for a little while. And like I say, we harvested the one at a good return. The longer terms, I had predetermined I was going to stay in to try and talk about them longer. And we could stay in those that are 3 to 5 weeks out. We could stay with them. We haven't made a lower low, so it's quite possible that we'll hold above this. And even though we've had a rocky ride, it's possible it'll come back up. Of course, we're losing some time value every day. So what I think I will do is close those that are 3 weeks out and still leave those that are 5 weeks out. Now, really the only reason I'm doing that is to make these little YouTube videos and talk about it. If this was the real world, I probably wouldn't have gone longer term in the first place. I'm more of a short term trader. You could be effective with long term, but your forecasts are a little bit different. Your approach is a little bit different. Your mentality is a little bit different. So I'll probably keep the 5 weeks just until we either turn back up and they become profitable, or until we break below this area right here. Okay, you can see that previously that was an area of resistance here and here. We broke through it on pretty good volume, on an above average volume day. It gave us support the last time we dropped down, and we're leaving the options that still have about a month of time value on them. So we'll be patient with those, again, more just to have something to talk about than anything else. I'll let you know how today's closes turned out tomorrow. Good luck with everything. Bye for now.